Development Bank has cut its growth forecast for Africa in 2025, pointing to rising uncertainty from U.S. trade tariffs. Moreover, Africa's economy is now expected to grow by 3.9% next year, down 0.2 percentage points from earlier projections. Now, the bank has also trimmed its 2026 forecast to 4%, citing similar concerns. Additionally, the revised outlook was shared during the bank's annual meeting in Ivory Coast and covers all 54 member states. Economics Professor Walter Krugell weighs in on the matter.
The African Development Bank has reduced its forecast for economic growth for the continent from 4.1 to 3.9%. It's due to the trade tariffs imposed by the United States. A key point is, though, that only 5% of the continent's trade is with the US, and tariffs imposed on US trade partners and retaliation with them dampens the worldwide demand for goods. If you're exporting to the world's factory, China, inputs from Africa become export products for China. Yet, if the US levies tariffs on exports from China, it also affects the derived demand for those inputs from the African economies. Lower exports translate into lower economic growth. There's a fair bit of uncertainty about how things will play out during the rest of this year. The 90-day postponement of the reciprocal tariff ends in 9 July, and in the meantime, President Trump has threatened a 50% tariff on US imports from the EU.